Let's get more now on that breaking news on the trial of Bruce Lehrmann in Canberra. The jury has been discharged and a retrial date set. Reporter Harry Frost joins us now from outside the ACT Supreme Court in Canberra. Harry, so take us through why the jury has been discharged.
Well, the court reconvened at around 10 o'clock this morning. The jury was brought in. We heard that there was alleged misconduct by a member of the jury. That juror was questioned by the court. The jury then brought back in and then dismissed. In her reasons, Chief Justice Lucy McCallum told the court that this juror had allegedly conducted research outside of the jury room. A sheriff's officer had discovered a research paper on sexual assault, which was inside a folder of jury material, which had accidentally been knocked off a chair. They picked up this folder and found this research paper in amongst the papers in that folder in the jury room, and for that reason the jury had to be dismissed. In her instructions to the jury, the Chief Justice had told them that the only place that they should be finding out information about this case is in the courtroom when the Chief Justice is present. This apparently didn't occur, and she was concerned that there was a risk that the jury was compromised by material from outside of the court, and that was her reason for dismissing the jury. She said this was an unexpected and unfortunate turn of events. The jury was dismissed. They were thanked for their time, but now those deliberations can't continue. They hadn't been able to come to a unanimous verdict yet, but we'll never find out where they were up to.
And Harry, just remind us what the charge is and what happens now.
So it was one count of a sexual assault, sexual intercourse with a person without consent, or being reckless as to their consent. Bruce Lehrmann, he denied that allegation. He pleaded not guilty. He's now been placed on bail. He hasn't been on bail before, but he's now on bail until the 20th of February, where if there is another trial, we're not sure whether that'll happen yet or not. If there is another trial, he's on bail until the 20th of February. He must give his details to police as to where he's living, and any travel itinerary or arrangements if he's moving around the country or indeed overseas. But now that jury has gone out, it will be very limited in the amount of reporting that can be done, because of course the next trial, if it does occur, could just be 4 months away. But for now, Mr. Lehrmann, he is on bail, and the court was making sure that they reinforced the fact that he is still an accused person. He hasn't been found guilty or not guilty either way.
Yeah, and so just confirming that a retrial date has been set, but we don't know if there will be a retrial.
It is a tentative date that's been set aside for a retrial if it indeed does occur, but we're not sure yet whether that will happen.
Okay, Harry Frost reporting there in Canberra.